Hey guys, it's JonJon from Polyverse. In the spirit of Halloween, I thought it would be fun to take this famous opening scene from Night of the Living Dead and try my hand at scoring it. To refresh your memory, let's check out a clip with no music.
Stop it! You're ignorant.
They're coming for you, Barbara.
My thought was that it would be fun to slightly modernize the score by aiming for more of an 80s kind of sound. I used Comet and Gatekeeper primarily to build tension and just kind of add to the suspense. Let's talk about Gatekeeper. I automated the time parameter to increase and decrease on a synth to create this kind of stuttery effect. Check it out. Next up is another instance of Gatekeeper. I put it on a bus of E-bowed guitars, used a preset called piano, turned down the wet dry knob. That's pretty much it. This next effect, I think, is what tied everything together. I used Comet, and I automated the size parameter to decrease as time goes on, so the pitch consistently sounds like it's going up, kind of like a shepherd's tone or something. All I know is it really made me feel stressed, and hopefully it stresses you out too. All right, now let's sit back, relax, and check out everything together.
Stop it! You're ignorant.
They're coming for you, Barbara. They're coming for you. Look, there comes one of them now.
He'll hear you.
Here he comes now. I'm getting out of here.
Oh! No! No! Johnny! Help me!
All right, that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed that video. Until next time, have fun and experiment. Happy Halloween.